the story that should make every executive listening quite uncomfortable. Amazon, arguably the most operationally disciplined tech company on the planet, broke their own retail platform. And the root cause traces back to how they adopted AI coding tools.
I am uncomfortable. You said it correctly. I am for sure uncomfortable. This is not a small incident.
No, not even close. So on March 5th, Amazon's North American marketplace experienced a 99% drop in orders for roughly 6 hours. That's the kind of number that wakes you up in the morning, 99% drop in orders.
Yeah.
6.3 million orders lost. Customers couldn't check out, couldn't see prices, couldn't access their accounts. And that was just the biggest incident. 3 days earlier, AI coding tools contributed to 120,000 lost orders and 1.6 million, website errors. And back in December, Amazon's AI coding tool Kiro autonomously decided to delete and recreate a production AWS environment, causing a 13-hour outage. So it's a lot of outages.
I think that's part of what is scary here is like this is not just like one single thing that happened and oops and we fixed it. This is sort of starting to become a pattern.
It's absolutely a pattern. And
Yeah.
internal documents viewed independently by the Financial Times, CNBC, and Fortune show that Amazon's SVP, Dave Treadwell, described a trend of incidents, those were his words, dating back to Q3 of 25, characterized by, quote, high blast radius. I love that phrase. And linked to, and this is also a direct quote, Gen AI assisted changes. So here's a part that tells you everything. That last bullet point about Gen AI, it was deleted from the document before they held their all hands meeting to discuss.
Oh, they scrubbed it out.
They scrubbed it out. And then Amazon published two blog posts saying AI had nothing to do with it. Quote, the same mistakes could happen with any developer tool, which can be true while AI also was the cause of it. Those are not mutually exclusive things. Both can be true. Meanwhile, their internal response is a 90-day safety reset, specifically targeted AI assisted code changes. Dual reviewer approval required on 335 critical systems. Senior engineer sign off required for all junior and mid level AI assisted changes. You don't build these controls if you think the tools aren't the problem.
Yeah, so that is interesting.